What about you, sir?
Hello?
What are you doing today? My, what a big head you have. Look at, even my camera can't. Look, I can see up your nostrils. Let's see. Ooh, those are some boogie oogies in there. Look, I can see all the way to your brain, George.
You're right.
I could.
Record it.
Watch, look. It's all the way up in there.
Did you record it?
Yeah. You want to see inside your brains?
Yes.
Look at.
I am gonna get.
Wait, let me see. Look at Julius's nose. We're gonna go all the way up in there. Ready? Oh my goodness, that's a big old nasty nose. Look at that big old giant boogie woogie. Ugly.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Sure.
Hey, stop doing that. Stop ugliness. You guys act like savages. You know what savages are?
No.
That ugly old Julius. Stop, man. That's George's ugly face. Look at now, you can go like this. See? That's you, Julius.
680.
Stop doing that.
Yeah.
Don't put your hand right there.
No, 672. That's the
Stop putting your hand right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
We don't
There we
want
go.
we're trying to get away from that.
You can't see me. Ow, 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 oh, oh, oh. You guys better quit punching me too.
That's funny.
Oh, oh. Ow, oh, 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 oh. Okay. Stop, guys. You guys don't want to get jacked up.
Oh, Jackie.
Oh, ow, ow, ouch. Look at, you see that? Look at that ugly creature right there. Say hello. Oh, Lucita, look, Julius was throwing up a gang sign.
Yeah, can we like saying that he's gonna
A-Town down.
Number
Like
2.
that. Number 2. Why are you throwing up gang signs, dude? Those are bad for you. Don't you know you get shot? That's another one, dude. You better quit. Ooh, that's another one.
Daddy.
You better quit. Ooh.
Dad.
What, George?
You open this?
How old are you now, Julius?
4.
That's 4. How many fingers do you have?
Open this. 1,
well, not really.
3.
No.
Should you open this?
5.
5 fingers. That looks sweet.
5 ugly fingers for some 5 ugly kids.
But he doesn't want to do that.
I opened it.
because